చెప్పండి. చేశాను. ఓకే.
Hello.
Yeah, Sandhya ma'am.
Ma'am, Pratibha ma'am.
Yeah, is it audible?
Yeah, ma'am. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, Srinivasa sir is there?
Yeah. Is there?
Okay, fine. Yeah, even Chandrakala ma'am will be the co-host, right, ma'am?
No. Manasa ma'am, I have asked.
Okay. Mm.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Audible, sir. Please open your PowerPoint.
No PowerPoint, sir. Directly I will start with MATLAB.
Okay, fine.
I will share my desktop. That is my screen.
Okay, then after introduction, I'll give you permission. You can start sharing, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Shall we start, sir?
Start, madam. Start.
Oh,
I am ready.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I, Pratibha Reddy, Head Department of Mathematics, take the privilege of inviting the speaker of the day, Dr. K. Srinivasa Rao, Professor, Head Department of Mathematics, SES VMV University, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu, for this webinar on MATLAB and its applications. I also invite our principal, Dr. Vishwanathan Bulusu, Vice Principals, Mr. Hari Prasad, Mr. Sai Krishna, Dean of Sciences, Dr. Ravi Kiran, my colleagues, and participants of various universities for this webinar. I, on the behalf of our department, thank Dr. K. Srinivas Rao Garu for accepting our invitation and agreeing to deliver a talk in this webinar. Thank you so much, sir. Before moving on to the session, I have few announcements for the participants. Kindly mute your audio and video, and there will be a question answer session at the end of the webinar. You can either post your questions in the chat box, or at the end, if you raise your hands, we are going to unmute you so that you can ask the questions directly. And feedback link will be shared at the end of the session, which you need to fill to get your e-certificates. Now, I invite my colleague, Ms. Sandhya Rani, to introduce the guest. Over to you, Sandhya ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sandhya from Department of Mathematics, Aurora Degree College. I now take the privilege to introduce Dr. K. Srinivasa Rao, sir. He is a professor and head Department of Mathematics in SES VMV University, Tamil Nadu. Sir did MSc Mathematics from JNTU, Hyderabad, MPhil from MK University, Madurai, and Sir did post-graduation diploma in computer science from University of Hyderabad. Sir completed PhD in mathematics from Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur. Sir has more than 50 national and international publications. Sir presented 26 research papers in national and international conferences. Sir acted as a resource person in national and international conferences, seminars, workshops, and many webinars too. Dr. K. Srinivasa Rao, sir, got Best Teacher Award for academic year 2016 to 17 from SCS VMV University. Sir got Best Scientist Award from International Multi-Research Foundation. Sir received Best Paper Award in International Conference on Contemporary Approaches in Mathematics and Emerging Engineering Trends. Sir published many books on MATLAB. 5 research scholars completed their PhD under his guidance, and 4 research scholars are doing their PhD. 21 students completed their MPhil degree under his guidance. Sir was a national officer for UGC AISCHE. He was a chairman for Statistics and Information Cell. Sir worked as the Assistant Chief Warden during 2014 to 15. He was a coordinator for NIRF for 2017, 18, 19, and 2020. He acted as a Chief Superintendent for University Theory Examinations from March to June 2017. Sir is a member of Anti-Ragging Squad during 2014 to 17. Sir is a member of Students' Cabinet Advisory Committee from 2015 onwards. He is a member of Students' Counseling System from 2016 onwards. Sir is a member of Board of Studies of Department of Mathematics in SCS VMV. We are very much glad to have you here, sir.
Thank you,
I
madam.
now request Srinivasa Rao, sir, to take over the proceeding. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam, for kind introduction. First of all, my sincere thanks to organizers, head of the Department of Mathematics, my friend P. Chandrakala, for inviting me to this webinar and giving me an opportunity to deliver a talk. My dear faculty members, my dear participants, in this webinar, I would like to cover getting started with MATLAB, predefined functions, how to handle arrays, that is matrices. I will cover some linear algebra concepts. Then finally, I will move to 2D and 3D plotting. Now I'm sharing my screen. Yes. Shall I screen? Sir,
Yes, sir, you can.
sir, but it is not showing my screen. It is not showing my screen. Just wait. So Ravi Kiran screen is showing.
No, sir, actually, you just click on the share screen button
Okay.
and start sharing your.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it, sir. It's coming.
Okay. So, dear participants, this is MATLAB. It shows that MATLAB is installed in a computer. If you double click, you will get a MATLAB desktop.
Yes.
So this is the MATLAB desktop. There is a double then is there. It is a cursor is blinking. It shows that MATLAB is ready to accept your commands. So we will give commands to MATLAB through this window. That's why it is called command window. This window is called command window. Before starting this webinar, one thing I would like to tell you. I'm starting this webinar by each one of you very new to this MATLAB software. Okay, so that means it is very useful for beginners. So how to now I'm giving a command. So how to add two numbers in MATLAB as usual? The addition per plus. So if you give enter, you will get the answer. This is the command given by the user. This is the output given by the MATLAB. Suppose if you want to subtract two numbers, this is the thing. Suppose if you want to multiply, we have to use asterisk. That is we call it a star symbol. It is the output. Suppose if you want to divide, right? This. Suppose if you want to find 2 power 3, 2 power 3. So we have to give 2 hat 3. Sometimes I will use 2 cap 3, 2 cap 3. So these are the usual commands. Suppose if you want to find out a square root of a number, square root of a number, the inbuilt command is sqrt of 3. I'm going to find out square root of 3. This is the input given by the user. This is the output. This is the output. Suppose I want to find out exponential value, exponential of 3, e power 3. So the inbuilt command is exp of 3. Exponential. That means whenever we have a bracket, open bracket, that shows that it is an inbuilt function. F of x is equal to e power x. We are giving x as 3, e power 3. Suppose I want to know the e value. E value means exp of 1. Suppose I want to find out sine value, sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3. How to enter pi by 3? Pi is pi by 3. Sine pi by 3. Suppose in similarly cos or tan, cos pi by 4. Pi by 4. Cos pi. This is the value. Suppose I want to find out logarithm, log of some value, log of 2, log of 2. This is log 2 base. Suppose to find out another base. For example, I want to know the value of log 2 to the base 10. You have to give like this. This is the log 2 to the base 10 value. This is log 2 to the base e value. Suppose I want to find out sin square pi by 2. Sin square pi by 2. How to enter sin square pi by 2? So how to enter? Anybody from audience, you can put a comment. Sin, can we calculate like this? Sin square pi by 3, pi by 3, pi by 3, sin square pi by 3. So this is a wrong command. It is a wrong command. This command. So what is the correct command from audience? Okay. So the correct command to evaluate sin square pi by sin square theta means sin theta whole square. So we have to give sin of pi by 3. So root 3 by 2 square, 3 by 4, 0.7. Okay. This is the way of giving. This is the way of giving commands to MATLAB. Suppose I want to find out log e power 5. So log e power 5. Log of e power 5. How to enter this command? I want to find out log. So percentage symbol, it will not be executed. How to find out log e power 5? Log of e of 5. So the answer will be 5. Log e power 5. Log e power 5 to the base e. 5 into log e to the base e. So commands matter. So here we are giving commands to matter. That is the command window. There is another window left hand side to my screen. That is command history. This is another window. Whatever the commands you enter, that will automatically will be stored. Here. That's why it is called. I opened my MATLAB 5/7/2028, 2 hours 8 minutes. After that, I executed this. So I am using more here. So yes, now this one A is equal to, this is the way of assigning the value to a variable. Now this is the A value.
Excuse me, sir.
Assigned, madam.
Sir, your voice is not audible. Please,
Okay, now
you are not also visible, sir.
not as visible.
Your screen is sharing, but you are not
Okay.
visible, and also your audio is very low.
Now?
Okay, sir. Okay. But
Now,
you are not visible, sir. You are not visible. No problem.
Is it audio okay?
Audio okay, sir.
Audio okay?
Okay, sir. Audio okay.
Any problem?
Hello.
Shall I continue?
You can continue, sir. Okay, no problem.
Shall I continue?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
So now I'm telling, is it audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So now I'm telling how to assign a value to a variable. So A is equal to 5. I assign, now the A value is 5. That will be a pair here. A is now the value, A is equal to 5. Suppose B is equal to 7. Now the another variable B is equal to 7. Suppose what is the difference between these two commands? Suppose C is equal to 7 semicolon. You see this one. The value executed, but the value is suppressed. If it is semicolon, the value will not be displayed. Now the values are equal to 5 here. B is equal to 7. We have B is equal to 7. C is equal to 7. All the running variables we can see in the workspace. This is another window in MATLAB. This window we call it as a workspace. Okay. This is command window. This is command history. All the running variables will present in the workspace. Okay. So now we have 3 variables. I want to find out square root of I want to find out square root of A by C. I would like to find out this value of square root of A square B by C. How to find out square root of A square B by C? SQRB square root of A square A cap 2 star B by C. That is the value. Okay. Now, so suppose this is A. This is square root of A, that is 5. The square root of A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. SQRT 5 is 2.236. So one thing you had, did you observe one thing? So MATLAB is always display the answer is up to 4 decimal places. How to find out the exact value? Suppose I want to find out the value up to 15 decimal places or 10 decimal places. What we have to do? There are some formatting techniques are there in MATLAB. Suppose if you give a format long, give the same command, MATLAB display the answer up to 15 decimal places. MATLAB display up to 15 decimal places. Suppose if you want to know the value up to 2 decimal places. So, another value I give you 1 by 5. 1 by 3. 15 decimal places. Okay. Suppose I want to find out where I want to value to 2 decimal places. You have to take another format, that is format bank. Format bank. If you give square root of a, the answer will be displayed up to 2 decimal places. Bank means bank transactions, rupees and percent. Like this. Format bank. So if you want to display the value in terms of rational numbers, so the format is format bank. So if you this value square root of a, the root of 5 is approximately equal to 889 by 1. So root 5 is the rational number. It is displaying nearest rational number. Nearest rational number. So these are different formatting techniques. Different formatting techniques. Three I told 3 techniques. So one more is general format. The format. If you give a format, we will go to the original format. That is 2.236. So there are 4 important formatting techniques are there in MATLAB. Important. There are another 2. Those are format rat, original format, format bank, format long. Format is the answer up to 15 decimal places. Format rat displays output in dash number. Bank displays the answer in rational. Original format is the format original format. So these are the different formatting techniques in so now there are some rounding techniques are also very important also. Rounding techniques. Suppose if you give round of 4.2, the answer is good. Round x, round command rounds the x nearest integer. 4 times display 4. Suppose if it is 4.99, display 4. Suppose if you give 4.5, it displays. So 4.599999 displays as 5. This is one of the rounding technique. This is one of the rounding technique. Round command, round x nearest integer towards a nearest integer. Suppose another formatting technique, another rounding technique is, suppose if you give fix of 4.3, fix of 4.3, this is displaying as 4. Suppose if you give 4.6, the answer is again 4. Suppose if you give 4.99, it displays 4. So what fix is doing? So fix of x, rounds x, nearest integer towards 0. Nearest towards 0. 4.999 is lies between the integers 4 and 5. 4 is the nearest integer towards 0. So it displays 4. 4 on display 4. It is a integer. If it is a, suppose it is a minus 4.35, display minus 4. So why? Because next, suppose another command seal of 2.9, 2.1. Seal of 2.1. Seal of 2.9. Seal of 2.9. 2.5. Seal of x, round 6, nearest integer, plus 2.5 lies between 2 and 3. Nearest integer towards plus infinity is 3. So it displayed 3. See flow. Another command opposite. Flow. Floor of 2.5. It displays nearest integer towards minus infinity. Suppose 2.99 displays 2, 1. So 2.9 lies between 2 and 3. This between 2 and 3. The nearest integer towards minus infinity is 2. So it displays 2. So these are the different rounding techniques available in MATLAB. Floor, seal, fix, round. Similarly, formatting techniques, format, drag, font. Now, I would like to tell more important comment. There is a difference between home and CLC. Home command, we can see the previous command by storing code bar. Whereas if you give a command CLC, we cannot see the previous commands. We can scroll this. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is audible now.
Hello?
Sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now I am straight away. I am going to my topic, first topic. How to? This is the basic thing. These are the basic things. How to enter commands through command window. Okay. Now I am going to main topic, arrays. How to enter an array in matrix in MATLAB. So I want to enter more than 2 elements. I want to assign more than 2 elements to an array. Suppose A is equal to the base to space. This way of giving more than 1 element. This is the way of assigning more than 1 element in matrix. Now A contains 2, 3, 7 to 8. So what is the size of this array? Size of the array. Size of the arrays, it contains 1 row, 5 columns. So I want to enter another array, B. So I suppress the output. I have 2 arrays. One is this one, another one is this one. Now, how to add these 2 arrays? A to B, that is you get an array with containing 2 plus 2, 3 plus contain 7 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 8 minus 2. Similarly, a minus b, a minus b. So now I want to multiply two arrays. I want to multiply. I need an array with the elements. Need an array. This is the 2 into 2, 3 into 0, 3, 0, 5 into 9, 2, 8, 2 minus. So if you give like this command, it shows error. It will show error. The star command will not work. The star command purpose is different. I will tell you later. If you want to multiply pointwise, that will be a command like this: a dot star b. You get an answer. This is dot. We are telling to MATLAB. You multiply the elements pointwise. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 0, 2. 6 to 9. 2 into 8, 16. 8 into minus 1. So divide the trace as a dot by b. So we are doing pointwise division. P dot because 0 is there to avoid b by a. B dot. I want to square each and every element of output. To square each and every element of an array. I want to find out an array containing square of each element. So we have to take a command a dot. We are to pointwise. So pointwise. So square root of each and every element of each and every SQRT of A. This is the inbuilt function. There is no need to find automatically. To find out all the elements, sum of all the elements of A. I want to find out sum of all the elements of A. Sum of the elements of that array. Suppose you give product of A. Project is product of all the elements of array A. Product of A. Suppose you want to find out A square sin A. I have A with me, B also with me. I want to find out sin of A square B. I want to find out sin of A square B. How to enter that command? Anybody? Corresponding command. Sin of A square A dot cap 2. This is A square. Again, A square reduced right. Suppose A square sin B. Suppose A square cos B, for example. A square cos B. How to give A square cos B? I have A square first A dot. This is A square. Next, dot star. Suppose if you give A cap 2 star sin A into sin of B. Sin of B. So here we have to multiply pointwise. A square B again point. Okay. With this, suppose now I have an array A here. So here indexing starting from 1 in MATLAB, indexing starting from 1. So first element is A of 1 is 2, A of 2 is 3, A of 3 is 7, A of 4 is 2, A of 5 is 8. That means A of 1. A of 1 is 2. A of end, last element. Last element of the array is 8. So A of 5, both are same. A of 5, A of 5, A of 5, both are same. So this is called accessing of an element. Suppose now I have an A. I want to replace 3 by a new element. First we have to access that element. What is that element? This element is second element. A of 2 is equal to minus 10. So I replace second element by minus 10. This is called access of an element. Suppose accessing of an element. Suppose I want to add one element at the end of the array. So I want to add some more elements at the end of this array. So A of n plus 1 is equal to minus 1.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Hello.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Breaking.
Please keep the headphones nearer to.
Now it is okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Now. Hello. Audible?
Yes, sir. Now
Okay.
okay, sir.
Now okay. So A of n plus 1. If you want to add one more element at the end, so A of n plus 1 is equal to minus 100, or A of 6 is equal to of 6. A of 6 is equal to 10. Now, if you want to add one more element, A of 7 or A of n plus 1 is equal to 9. The next question is how to add a one element at the beginning. Suppose if A1, we replace it by some new element, A of 1 is equal to 4. We can't add, this is now the new element came in the place of 4. So actually my aim is to add an element in the first place. So for that we have to take another command, that is merging of vectors. Suppose A is with me. Suppose A is equal to x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 7. Suppose if you take x space y, it will match both the elements. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. So now we can easily understand. Suppose I want to add one element in the array. So my array is A is equal to 2 or minus 10 A. So minus, this is A. Did you understand my point? Suppose if you want to add one more element, I'm doing this one. A is equal to 3 A. So I want more than 3. I want to add more than one element. So we have to add like this. 1 A minus 1 A. Now you see this. So these are the elements. Next A. This is the way. So next question is how to add some elements in the middle of the array. That is the next question. Suppose now A is with me. A is I'm taking B. I want to add some elements in between, one element in between 9 and 8. We know how to add some elements at the beginning. And now I would like to add one element in between 9 and 8. How to do this? So to know this concept, we need some more operators. Now I am giving one operator, very interesting operator. Interesting operator. You see this one. I will come back to this topic. Suppose x is equal to 1 colon 5. You see that 1 colon 5. X is equal to 1 colon. So colon operator is one of the very important operator in MATLAB. Colon operator. Colon means all. It displays all the elements between 1 and 5, 1 and 5, including 1 and 5, including 1 and 5. It displays all the elements between 1 and 5 with an increment of 1. With an increment of 1. 1, 2, 3. Suppose if you give y is equal to 1 colon, 2 colon, 1 colon, 2 colon, 10. Now we'll get an array starting from 1 with an increment of 2 up to 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It's starting from 1, increment value is 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Suppose if you give a is equal to 1 colon, 0.1 colon 2. It display an array 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 up to 2. There are there, next 9th column, 10th column, 11th column. So 11 elements are there, 1, 1.1, 1.2 up to 2. So 11 elements. Suppose this is the colon operator. Colon operator is very important operator in MATLAB. Very important operator. So I want to find out sum of first 100 natural numbers. Anybody? I want to find out with this commands we can do so many things, so many problems we can do. I want to find out sum of first 50 natural numbers, 100 natural numbers, 1000 natural numbers. Can we do it? Yes, we can do it. Suppose a is equal to 1 colon 100. It display 100 natural numbers starting from 1 up to 100. That means you see this one A there, here array A is there. Array A is there. Minimum value 1, maximum value 100. Minimum value. So otherwise you check size of A. Size of A 1 row, 100 columns. There are 100 elements are there. The 100 elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. I want to find out the sum. How can I do? How can we do that now? It is very easy. Sum of 50, 50. 5 is n into n plus 1 by 2. 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. Okay. I want to find out sum of first 100 even numbers, odd numbers. I want to find out sum of first 50 odd numbers. I want to find out sum of first 150 odd numbers. So what is this? How to generate first positive 50 odd numbers starting from 1. That is positive odd numbers. How to generate odd numbers? 1 colon odd numbers. 1 increment value should be 3, 2. Am I correct? Next number should be 3. Next 5, 7, 9. So increment 2 up to what is the 50th odd number? 50th odd number. Whether I have to give 50 or 99 or 100. See this one. We'll check it whether B is correct or not. This one is minimum number 99. So how many odd numbers are there? Size of B. There are 50 odd numbers. 1 column, 1 row, 50 columns. There is first number, second up to 50 odd numbers. I want to find out sum of first 50 odd numbers. So the command is sum of B. That is n square. N square. Okay. How to find out sum of squares of first 50 natural numbers? I want to find out sum of squares of first 50 natural numbers. I want to find out sum of squares of first 50 natural numbers. Anybody? Anybody from audience? I want to find out sum of squares of first 50, 100 natural numbers. First we need 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, up to 100 square. That we have to generate. How to generate that sequence? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So first you generate 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 150. A is equal to 1 colon 50. Semicolon. I don't want to display the numbers. I have 50 natural numbers. First I have to square. How to square? Square 1 square, 2 square. How to do this? Cap 2. If you give a cap 2, it will show error. If you give a cap 2, it will show error. A cap. Now we have square of first 50 natural numbers. Next we have to add sum. That is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So all the things, only two things I am using. One is colon, one is a dot. It's a colon operator. Colon stands for all. Dot stands for point-wise operation. Point-wise operation. Point-wise. Okay, I am coming to my topic. That is my topic in the sense I have an array like this. 2, 3, 4, minus 10. Okay, this is my array. I want to add one element in between these 5 and 6. In between 5 and 6, I want to add one element in between 5 and 6. How to do? Suppose you see this command. Suppose if you give a command like this, A of, if you give a command like this, A of 1, 4, what will happen? What will happen? If you give a command like this, A of 1, 4, it display first element and fourth element. First element is 2, fourth element is 6. Give 1, 4. Suppose if you give A of 1 colon 2, 1 colon 3. What is 1 colon 3? 1, 2, 3. You are asking display first element, second element, third element. First element is 2, second element is 3, third element is 5. Okay. Okay. Now you can easily, suppose if you give A of 4 colon end, what it may be the number last element, it display 6 and minus 10. Now I want to add one element in between these two. What can I do? How to do this? Now it is very easy. You create an array A. I need an array A is equal to first 3 elements you write first. You have 1 colon 3. Next, whatever element you want to add, you give this number. Next, A of 4 colon n. So I can set one element in between 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, and 6 minus 10. I hope you understand. So these operators, colon operator, very, very important operator. Very, very colon and point. These two are the we cannot see any program without colon and dot. We cannot see any program in MATLAB. We cannot see any program in MATLAB without these two command operators. Now I am going to another operator, colon operator. Next, space 2, 5. What is this? If you give enter, it displays 100 elements. Displays, see this, 100 elements between 2 and 5. 2 and 5 with linearly spaced elements. Linearly spaced elements. Here, starting point 2, end point 5. The total number of elements are 100. 100 elements. A comma B display 100 elements between A and B, including A and B. Including A is equal to 2, 5, 3. I'm giving like this. Substance. First, A is equal to 4 space 8 space 10. Oh, in space I'm forgetting. A is equal to in space 4 times 5. In space A, it displays points between 2 and 4 with an increment 0.5 linearly spaced elements. So A minus B by 5, 2 minus, that is points, increment 5. So A comma B, if you give without this 5, without this, it displays 100 elements between A and A. So standard command is A in space A comma B n. This is the command. It displays n elements between in the closed interval A comma the closed interval A comma. This is also very important command in MATLAB. So now I'm moving to another topic, that's matrices. Shall I go to matrices? So one more thing, one more. I want to repeat this command. This is suppose A is equal to this very important command in matrices. B is equal to 4, 5, 6. There are two arrays. If you give an array like this, X is equal to A to B. It will match both the arrays that I told already. If you give a command like this, it match horizontally A and B. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Now, with this small introduction, I am going to matrices. Some might ask how to enter a matrix in matrix. Then I will solve some problems in linear algebra. How to enter a matrix in a matrix. So the command is same. Listen carefully. 1. This is the first row. I want to enter 3 by 3 matrix. 9, 8, 0. Second row. We give first row, semicolon, second row, close. This is the way of entering the matrix in matrix. First row, semicolon, second row, semicolon, third is the matrix. What is the size of this matrix? Size of A. 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns. Suppose if you want to know particular element, you have 1 comma, first row, second column element. First row, second column, first row, second row, second row, third column. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. Suppose I want to replace second row, third column element, a new element, same as in arrays. Suppose I want to display, I want to replace 0 by some element. Second, I replace the second row, third column element by 100. 100. Okay. This is the size. Suppose I want to find out the transpose of the matrix. Transpose of the matrix. Just to give a transpose. Okay. Transpose of the matrix. Suppose you want to do diagonal elements. The diagonal elements of A. 189. I want to find out the rank of matrix. Before rank, I want to find out the determinant of A. Det of A is 40. So det of A is equal to 40. Not only for 3 by 3 matrix. Suppose I am taking another matrix C. and 8. So I have taken one, I generated one matrix C. C is with me. I want to find out the rate of C. Rate of C. So this 3.2007 into, this is the scientific notation, 3.2007 into 10 to the power of 14. The determinant of this matrix is, 3.2007 into 10 to the power of 14. E plus means 10 to the power of 14. So we know how to find out the determinant of the matrix. I have a matrix A. I want to get that value is, rate of A is here. Rate of A is 42, which is not equal to 0. So if you find the rank, definitely it will be rank of the matrix is 3. If the determinant is not equal to 0 or rank is the order of the matrix, you can easily find out the inverse of the matrix. So to find out the inverse of the matrix. Inverse of the matrix. Inverse of the matrix is A cap minus 1. A cap minus 1. This is the inverse of the matrix. Not only for this, I have a C. C. So what is the C inverse? That is the matrix. C inverse. C inverse. This is the 8-byte matrix. C is the 8-byte matrix. C is the 8-byte matrix. The inverse of the matrix. Not only 8-byte, you give 100 by 100. MATLAB displays within fraction of seconds. One more thing I want to tell you. MATLAB stands for matrix library. MAB stands for matrix. MAB stands for library. This is matrix library. I am using very old version, 2007. Is the licensed version. This is the 2007 version. At present in the market, 2020 version is available. Or 2020 G version is available in the market. Every year, MathWorks releases 2 versions. One is in February, one is in September. So February version, we call it as a revised version of 2020A. September version we call it as revised version of 2020B. Now I will go, it is 2007. This gives the exact. The comments are same. Comments are same. Going to the main topic, I have A. The most important point I would like to tell you. Suppose if you give A cap 2, I have this matrix. What is A cap 2? A cap. A cap 2 means ordinary multiplication. Ordinary maximum. First row with first column, first row with second column, first row with third column. So there is another operator, that is A dot cap 2. What is this operator? Square elements point wise here. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 8 square, 9 square, 8 square, 100 square, 2 square, 3 square, 9 square. Okay, so dot is, so this suppose B is equal to, now I am showing B is equal to A cap, A dot cap. CLC. I have A and B, 2 matrices are there. If you give A star B, you will get a ordinary matrix multiplication elements. A into B, you get a ordinary matrix A into B. Suppose if you give A dot star B, you will get 1 into 1, 2 into 4, 3 into 7, 9 into 81, 8 into 64, like this. So that is, so all plus minus star cap or matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. That's why if you give A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 3, 4, 5. A star B show error. It is showing an error. Inner matrix dimension must agree. Suppose if you want to multiply these two matrices, this is a row matrix, this is also row matrix, we cannot multiply these two matrices. Why? Because this is 1 by 3 matrix, this is 3 by 1 matrix. We cannot multiply 1 by 3 with 1 by 3 matrix. That's why it is showing inner matrix dimension must agree. It is not, we cannot multiply. We can do this operation, A dot star B. This is 1 into 3, 2 into 4, 3 into 5. Suppose I want to multiply these two matrices. So what we have to do? A star B transpose. Am I correct? We can do this one. So A is 1 by 3 matrix, B is 3 by 1 matrix. To multiply A and B, we get 1 by 1 matrix. That is 26. Is 26. I hope you understand the difference between point operator. I hope you understand the difference between points. So now we know how to find out rank of the matrix, determinant of the matrix, how to find out the analysis, how to find out multiplication. Now I want to know characteristic polynomial of the matrix A. This is not A for me. I want to take A. So we can use up and down arrows to generate execute the previous command. Now I have A. So I want to, my aim is to find out eigenvalues and eigenvectors. If you want to find out the eigenvalues and eigenvectors, we need a characteristic polynomial. We need characteristic polynomial. How to find out the characteristic polynomial of the matrix? So the command is poly of A. Spelling is poly of. So you see this one. This is a polynomial equation. Lambda cube minus 18 lambda square plus 65 lambda plus say 57. This is a characteristic polynomial. Polynomial. So if you take a 0, it will be a characteristic polynomial equation. That is a characteristic polynomial equation. Okay. So this is equivalent polynomial is lambda cube minus 18 lambda square plus 65 lambda plus 57. That is it. Suppose I want to find out the roots of this polynomial. Roots of the polynomial. So that means roots of poly of A. So eigenvalues of matrix are 12 point something, 6 point something, minus 0 point something. That's it. That is it. So suppose I want to find, before going to the eigenvectors, I want to find out the roots of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6. I want to find out the roots of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6. How to find out the roots of the equation? Roots of, I have to enter a equation in a matrix. That's the thing. That is matrix laboratory. Everything we have to enter as a matrix. My equation is x square minus 5x plus 6. X square x quotient minus 5. Constant is 6. The roots are completely. Not only when we take any polynomial. What order I am taking? This much of polynomial. Some big polynomial I have taken. The roots of the polynomial are this one. You take 100 array, it's a 100 degree polynomial. Calculate within fraction of a second. That's why MATLAB is an efficient user interactive software package, which is very effective to solve science and engineering problems. MATLAB is an efficient, user-friendly, interactive software package. This is my definition. Interactive software package. It's very effective to solve science and engineering. Okay, so now I'm coming to my matrix C. This is the C matrix. I want to find out the eigenvalues. Within a fraction of seconds, we can find out the eigenvalues. The direct command is EIG of A. Sorry, not A. C is equal to EIG of A. C, sorry. EIG of C. It displays eigenvalues, 8 by 8 matrix eigenvalues. 8 by 8 matrix eigenvalues. So there are two ways are there to find out eigenvalues of the matrix. One is roots of poly of the matrix or direct eigenvalues. Sometimes we need eigenvalues. Sometimes we need characteristic form. But in that case, we take poly of the matrix. So next thing is how to find out the eigenvectors. So I am taking the matrix C. I am taking C. Generated matrix C. See, I'm taking some 20 by 20 matrix. 20 by 20 matrix. I have C size of C. It is a 20 by 20 matrix. So we give EIG of A, EIG of C. So don't worry, you give 100 by 100 matrix, MATLAB display answer within fraction of seconds. Some take 100 matrix. 100 eigenvalues of C. These are the 100 eigenvalues. Okay. Yes. I want to tell the accuracy is MATLAB 200. I have 200 by 200 matrix. I have 200 by 200 matrix. Otherwise, check it well. It is correct. Size of C. Size of C. 200 by 200 matrix. Suppose if you give a command, eigenvalues of C, it is placed within a fraction of a second. These are the eigenvalues of the matrix. 200 eigenvalues. Okay. Now I want to find out the eigenvectors. I'm going for A 3 by 3. I'm explaining with a simple matrix 3 by 3. 3 by 3. So how to find out the eigenvectors? Yes. Now it display. These are the eigenvectors. So B means vectors. D is diagonal matrix. D is a diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are eigenvalues of the matrix. The eigenvalues of this matrix are these three. The eigenvalues of these three are the eigenvalues. This is the corresponding eigenvector. This is the eigenvector corresponding to this eigenvalue. This is the eigenvector corresponding to this eigenvalue. This is the eigenvector corresponding to this eigenvalue. Okay. So this is about eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Okay. Next, there are. I will come back. So I'll come back again. So one more important special matrices are very important. Special matrices. The special matrices are useful to construct block matrices that I'm going to tell. Suppose A is equal to, suppose zeros of 3. You get a matrix, a null matrix of order 3. Suppose if you give 3, 4, you get a 3 rows, 4 columns. 3 rows, 4 columns. Suppose B is A is equal. So I'm taking A is equal to like this. Now I'm taking B is equal to 1s of 3. We'll get a matrix like this. B is one matrix, B is another matrix, 1s of 3. Suppose I want to merge these two matrices. I want to merge. So merging concept is very important, but everyone is very easy, but it is very important. Or as my knowledge is concerned, this merging of vectors is a very important concept for MATLAB, linear algebra, in graph theory also. Okay, how to merge the two matrices? I am constantly merging is very interesting concept. We can merge the two matrices, A, B, joining the matrices. Suppose horizontally, vertically. So it treats as an element. MATLAB treats as an element. First element, semicolon means it will go to second row. We are giving first row semicolon. Second row semicolon. Second, it is writing below the first row. Similarly, it treats as an element. Suppose if you give x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 semicolon 2. Display first it display 1, next it display 2, second one. Similarly here, A, B. So now I want to see like this. Some Z is equal to, what is this matrix? A, B, semicolon 2 star A, semicolon 2 star A is 0, 3 star B. What will be this matrix? This is the matrix. This is the matrix A. This is the matrix A for me. This is the matrix A. This is the matrix B. This is the matrix 2A. This is the matrix 3B. 3B. I hope you understand this. Suppose I am taking this another, we can easily. Now I have an element. Suppose. 3, 4, 2. I have the B matrix. This is the B matrix. Next C is equal to 2 stars. 1s of 2 star 1s of 3. Now I want to construct a D matrix with these matrices A, B, semicolon, A transpose, C, A transpose. This is the matrix. This is the one. This is A matrix. This is one matrix A. This is A. Matrix this one. Transpose matrix this one. This is C. This is A. C. This is the A transpose. This is the way of constructing block matrices in matrix. Block matrices. There is a ornamentation, vertical computation. Simply you can call this. Okay. Now one more special matrix is there, E by E of 3. It is a unit matrix. It generates unit matrix. Unit matrix. Now the next another matrix RAND. I use this matrix RAND of 3. What is this? I use it to generate 6 by 6, 10 by 10, 20 by 20. RAND 3. RAND 3 is RAND 3 is a RAND command generates matrix whose entities are 0 to 3 means it generates 9 elements. 9 elements. 9 elements will be displayed in 3 rows and 3 columns. Suppose if you give 3, 4, it generates and generates whose entities are from 0 to 1. Whose entities are from 0 to 1. So, I generate is equal to, can easily understand 100 star round, use it round 100 star. 100 star and 4. What is this one? Now I have taken RAND 4 matrix. I multiplied with 100. So this matrix are 4 by 4. All the entries from 0 to 100. Why? Because I multiplied with 100 and I have taken a round. So we can get here matrix of order 4 by 4 by 4. All the entities are integers between 0 to 100. That is this is this very useful command, RAND command. So explain some concepts. I have taken this RAND command is a 2. Okay. So now we have a special matrix. Special ones. Once you can generate one. If you generate one, any matrix you can generate. Just multiply 3 into 1s, you get all the entities are 3. So once we can null matrix, we can generate identity matrix, we can generate any order. The random matrix we can generate. Like this. Now I'll come back again. Now I want to. So this is the thing, most important thing I want to tell you. So how to access a particular row? display first row of the matrix. I want to display first row of the matrix. Suppose if you want to display first element, first row, first column element. This is what first row, first column element. I want to display all the column elements of the first row. I want to display all the column elements of the first row. So A of all the column elements of the first row. Always I told all. Semicolon, column stands for all. Column stands for all. All the column elements of first row. All the column elements of first row. Suppose we give tree of column. Third row will be displayed. A is this one. This is the third. Suppose I want to replace first column by another, second column by another. So first we have to access the first column. I mean the second column. I want to second column, second row, all column elements. Give the new column.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, again voice is breaking, sir.
Hello. Okay.
Breaking.
It is okay.
Ah,
Hello?
okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Ah, okay, sir.
So I want to replace second row by new row. So second row, all column elements by new row. 1, 1, 1. So second row, I replace the second row by new row. Previously it is 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Now the column row is 1, 1. Suppose I want to access this second column. I have to access the second column. How to access the second column? P of second column. All the row elements of second 2, 1, 4. Similarly, we can replace. Okay. Suppose my question is I want to display first 2 rows. How to do this? So I want to display first 2 rows. First 2 rows. How to display this? A of first 2 rows. 1, 2. Okay. All columns. 2 rows. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. So I have the matrix here. My question is, I want to display this middle of the matrix. I want to display 89 and 87. This is the concept of submatrices, accessing particular part of the matrix. So I want to take big matrix. C, 3, 6, C equal to and 6. I have a 6 by 6 matrix. C is 88. I want this matrix 96, 44, 88, 12. How to access? That means here this 96, 44 are in one card row. Third row. I first have to access this third row and fourth row. Space 4, comma, third column, 4. It's not yes, 6. 96, 44, 88, 12. This is the middle of the matrix. Suppose I want to display 88, 63, 28, 31. I want to display, or I want to display this corner matrix. on this corner matrix. 88, 77, 10. It is very easy. For this, you can easily get by giving first row, second column, first row, second row, and first column, second column. 88, 77, 10. Suppose if you want to display this one, this one, this one, this one. So these elements are in first row, sixth row, first column, sixth column. That means C of 16, 16. Suppose if you want to display this 210 and 898, the corresponding command is C of second row, first row, second. That is 210, 898. 210, 898. Suppose what is the zeros of 2. To matrix zeros of 2. You get a null matrix. You get a null matrix. Zeros of 2 is a null matrix of order 2. So this is a accessing of matrix, some part of matrix. Statistical things. So A is equal to, I have an array 1. This is also row vector. Suppose if you give, so we know some of this STD variance of A, display variance of the STD A, standard deviation, V of A. These things we can easily calculate using the MATLAB. Okay. Any questions from audience? Any doubts? Any questions from audience? Any doubts? Or shall I continue? Madam?
Sir, you can
Chandrakala,
continue,
madam?
sir. Continue, sir.
Continue.
Yeah.
Now I am going to take the topic, that is plotting. How to plot. How to so plotting techniques. Suppose I want to plot y is equal to sin x. Y is equal to sin x. I want to plot y is equal to sin x. 0 star. So suppose if you want to draw a graph, we need x values in between 0 to 2 corresponding some in between 0 to 2. So we can easily find the values of x in between a comma line in space 0 comma 2 star. For this command, this already explained about this command. Linspace 0 comma 2 star pi. So points between 0 to 2 pi. We otherwise take the size of So 100 points are there. We have 100 points in between in the closed interval of 0 to 2. Next, I want to plot the curve sine. Y is equal to sine of x. I have x values and y values. The command to plot the curve in 2D is plot. Plot x. We have a plot. This is x values. These are x values. These are sin x values. Sin x value is always less between minus plus. This is the y is equal to sin x. So this is another window. This is called figure window. All the figures will be displayed in this window. That is called figure window. Now we are familiar with command window. Command history, workspace, and figure window. So if you give a grid on, we enter, grid will get a grid. So there are so many buttons are there. We can edit this plot by taking x label. If you give x label, you can name the x-axis. The x-axis, y label, y-axis, y-axis, insert, type it. So sin x curve, sin x curve, this is sin x curve. So there is an excess part here. I want to remove this. So then for that we can take edit window. This is the edit button. Suppose click this double click that window like this. I want to set the okay. So now we can change the colors. We can change the outer color. So this is equal to y is equal to sin. So now the curve is 0 to 2 x-axis 1. So we can see the data curve. You can see the points. The first point x is equal to 0, sin x is 0. So all these are points. This is one of the interesting. Now I want to save this file. If you want to save this file, want to save this file, want to save this file. Go to file, save, and save. It is saved in directly. So this is another window that is all saved.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, okay. Now it's
Hello, sir.
actually unmuted. This my mic.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now it is
Okay,
good.
sir. Sir, voice, sir, little bit clarity, sir. Few participants are mentioning in that chat box, sir, the same
Okay.
thing. Kindly.
So this is another window. We know what is the workspace. That's another window is current directory. All figure files, M files, will be stored in current directory. There are two windows are there. One is workspace, another one is current directory. So now we are familiar with almost all windows. One more window is editor window. So this current directory, workspace, command history, command window. Next one is how to copy this, how to copy what that is getting that is copy when you go copy it, open a new document. New Okay. Open the Word document and we can save that figure in a place. Okay. This is the procedure. Plot a curve in MATLAB. The command in 2D is this one. There are some options also there. Suppose there are some options. Plot. If you give like you get this. So you can give points with options.
Hello.
Okay. Is it okay, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I want to plot one more, two more curves. Suppose you take, suppose
Sir,
C
your
and
screen
C.
is not visible, sir. Yeah.
Is it okay now? Is it okay?
No, sir.
Hello?
No, sir. It's not visible.
Is
Now
it
it is.
okay, madam?
Yeah, now okay, sir.
Okay. Now I want to plot one more curve, two more curves in a single window. So, for example, so I'm taking the same. I have x value. Y is equal to sin of x. Y1 is equal to 2 star sin x. Y2 is equal to x. I have x values. X value 0 to 2 pi. Y sin x. Y is equal to 3 sin x. I want to plot these three curves in a single figure window. How to do? Plot of x comma y. That is first curve, x versus y, comma x comma y1, x comma y2. Like this, you get a three curves in a single window. So, what is the sin x? What is the sin? Next question: what is sin x? What is 2 sin x? What is 3 sin x? So it is very easy. There is a command here. If you take like this, lesson. If you take this command lesson. So data one is this blue color. What is the data one? X, y. X is, y is sin x. This is, so data one is sin x. So data two sin x. Data three, third data is 3 sin x. Suppose if you give a grid down, you get this. This curve is sin x. This is 2 sin x curve. This is 3 sin x. Again, I want to remove this excess part. So take this editor edit plot. Select this portion. We take 0 to 2 star pi I. This will be, you want to can change the colors. It is your choice. This is about overlying curves. This is the way of plotting. More than in math. Suppose I want to start one very interesting curve. Y is equal to x plot. Y is equal to x minus 500, 50 minus 50. Now, first, what are the x values? X values are nice. Minus 50 to plus 50. Take x value. First, we take this place. This place of 50 plus 50. I want to take 1000 points, 4 points. Now we have x value. Oh, comma is missing here. Okay. X values. Now we have to find sin x by x. Or find out the sin x by x. Is sin of x. Yes, is correct. Is it correct command to find the y values? This command. You like this is calculating another value. Sin x, that I will tell you later. I need, so that is different operator actually, this operator. So I need sin x by x values for each and every value of minus 52 plus. So that again, y is equal to sin of x dot by x. What is the size of y? Size of y. 1 by 1000. One row, 1000 columns. Actually, x values x is x. Size of x is corresponding sin x by x values are stored in y. The size of x values corresponding sin x by x 1000 values. Now we take the same plot. This is a well-known diagram. This is sin x. Sin x. So as x approaches to 0, as x approaches to 0, sin x approaches to 1. As x approaches to 0, sin x approaches to 1. Now we can, one can give some values. There are so many plotting techniques are available in MATLAB. Some x, suppose it x is equal to y is equal to sin of x of x comma. So display sense. So fill x comma, like that. Only plotting techniques are available in MATLAB. 2D plotting techniques. So this is about plotting in 2D. Next time do 3D plotting. Then 3D. So 3D plotting is an interesting concept. Plot z is equal to x cap 2 plus y cap in minus x value minus 3 less than or equal to x comma y less than or equal to 3. I want to plot this three-dimensional figure z is equal to x square plus y square in minus 3 comma plus 3 x comma. So the command here. So we take a surf for mesh. I will explain one by one. So first we have to find the x comma y values. We have to take a grid that I will tell you. First I will enter the commands. X comma y. X is equal to grid minus 3 to minus 3 0.1 3. Just 1 minute. Grid x comma. X is equal to, first you have to define x is equal to minus 3 colon 0.1 colon 2. First you have to divide, or leave space minus 3 comma 3. That is up to your choice. Y is, I'm dividing the x interval and y interval with interval length 0.1. Dividing the, I'm taking the points on x-axis, minus 3 to plus 3 with increment 0.1. So I'm taking x comma y values, capital X, capital Y, or A or B. Mesh grid. Z is equal to x dot cap 2 is y dot cap. Now sum x comma y comma z. X comma y comma z. 3D diagram. We have one 3D diagram, 3-dimensional figure. I will explain what are these commands. I have taken so many commands. 3-dimensional figure. Okay. So first we fix the x values by x-axis and y-axis. Then we can get a clear area. X-axis. Okay. Insert y-axis. Insert z-axis. Insert title. Z is equal to x. We have now we see. I will explain one by one these comments. I will explain one by one. So I have taken minus 3 to plus 3 with increment 0.1. Minus 3 to plus 3 with increment 0.1. 10 points are there. Again, here 10 points are there. That means 0 to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 1.1, 1.1, 1.2, 2. Next 1.1, 1.2 up to 3. This I got from this command. Similarly, y values I got from this command. Now mesh grid. With this command, I have the points, grid points, grid points, grid point. This is 0, 0. All these points are odd dot pairs. X, Y values 0, 0. All these combinations minus 1 to plus 3 plus 1. So 1 second. What is the size of x? Size of x is 61 by 61. 61 rows, 61. So capital X. I have taken capital X. This x 61 by 61. This is x values are 61 by 61. Y values are 61. These ordered pairs. Now for each value of x, by taking z is equal to x square. By taking z is equal to x square plus y square. Then this suppose you take f mesh case this one. The difference is nothing, no difference. Both are same. Mesh and sub use stuff is this one. I have this. With mesh command, I have this. The difference is mesh is colored. Mesh is colored with different colors. mesh. Mesh is colored, surface is white. Here mesh is surface is mesh is black. Only the difference. Both the commands. So I will do this one. To understand this concept, I will take less points so that we can easily understand. If you understand one problem, it is very easy. So I am taking very less points with the increment 0.5. 0.5. Very less points I am taking. -3, -2.5, 2, -2. -1.5, -0, 1.5. Please understand. See this. How we can easily understand. So -3, -2.5, -1.5, this one, -0.5, 1.5, 1.5, 3. Similarly, these
Hello.
are the points. We have points. Hello.
Sir, voice is not audible, sir. Hello.
Okay. Is it audible?
Okay. Sir.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we can easily understand with this
Sir, screen
example.
is
Now
not
I have
visible, sir.
screen is not visible.
Yeah, screen, sir.
Yeah. Okay. I will share. My screen is shared. Okay, madam.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, madam.
Sir, it is coming like you have started the screen sharing, but yet it did not come, sir.
Now.
No, sir, not yet.
Showing
Just
your screen is
started
sharing with
screen
pause.
sharing, sir. Just we are getting started screen sharing, but a screen is not visible, sir.
Otherwise, once disconnected.
Okay.
Now we got it, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This figure window. Is it?
Its screen is there,
This
sir. Now it's visible.
now okay. Visible. Both this figure window. Figure
Bigger
window
window is
also.
not this, sir. Small window. Yeah, now it is okay, sir. Both are fine now.
Okay. Now these x values are this with this command. I got the x values like this: -3, -2.5, -2, -1.5, -1, -0.5, 0, 0.5 like this. Y values. This mesh grid, I have these points, mesh grid points. This is 0, 0, 0, 0. This point is x is 1, y is also 1. This is -2, 3. At these points, I calculated z is equal to x square plus y square. And with this command mesh xyz, I got this figure. Suppose if you give a figure f you are surf x comma y comma z, you get this guy. Now we can understand the difference between these two commands. This is a diagram from mesh command. This is the diagram from surf and mesh. Surf and mesh. Okay. Using this window. This window. Suppose I would like to plot z is equal to another curve, is similar curve. I have x values. I will change these x values. -1, y values 1. -1. Z is equal to x square minus y square. So these are the different plots, different. That's the thing. This remain this x-axis, y-axis. If you want, you can change the colors. All this stuff you can do. Okay. Okay, madam. Shall I close?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any
Sir,
questions?
question and answer. Yeah, I will.
First, you ask the questions.
Yeah.
I want
Participants, if
I want
you
to see
have any questions, you can raise your hands. So that we can unmute you. Participants, you can raise your hands for questions. So we are having one question from Usha Bhavani, madam.
Okay. What's the question?
Usha ma'am, you can ask your question, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Tell me, madam.
Sir, can you explain me about the control statements of in MATLAB, sir?
Oh, control statements.
Yes,
So
sir.
control statements are this less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. That's you are asking.
Sir, if while loop, for loop.
And all these we have to go for this one, programming techniques. We have to open the programming. If we have to go for programming, that is a very big concept,
Sir, if you don't mind, if you have the notes, please you can send me, sir.
Okay, definitely. I wrote a textbook that is all the control statements comes in. That is a big statement. We cannot start from the if then else. We have to start from the M files.
Yes. Script file, M file, yeah.
This is M file. You have to write a code. Suppose if x is less than or equal to, that's all the things. This is you are talking about this editor file. Am I correct? Editor.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I have the doubt on script. I mean, in control statements only, sir. Already I have listened all these things in Little Flowers Degree College while you are teaching in Little Flowers.
Okay. No, in that I have given all the material. I have given material.
So in that there is no control statements.
Control statements are there. MATLAB programming. Series of MATLAB programming.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Next.
Hello, Srinivas sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you just stop screen sharing, sir, so that audibility will be more clear, sir? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Shall I proceed for the next question, sir?
Yes,
From
yes,
the
yes.
participants?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, Vanita madam. Vanita madam. Vanita madam, we have unmuted you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sir,
You can.
sir, good evening, sir. Actually,
Good
I
evening.
want to know, I am a research scholar. Actually, I'm going to do a biometric research in biometrics. Which will be the best app, sir? MATLAB simulation or which simulation software can I go?
MATLAB is best, MATLAB. As far as MATLAB, you check with MATLAB is best. I don't know other software. MATLAB will do nicely.
Because I heard of Skylab also.
Skylab, Mathematica.
Sure.
I don't.
I'm totally a novel person in this field. So I just wanted to know which will be the best simulation software to use for my research work.
That good. That is depending upon your problem. We cannot say this software is good, that software is good like this. So MATLAB has its own features. Skylab has its own features. Okay, Mathematica
As my research is about biometrics, so can I go for MATLAB?
Oh, okay, you can go. You can go. No problem.
Okay, sir. Because I don't know about the features available, so just wanted to clarify. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Next question. Pratibha madam. Pratibha madam.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yeah, good afternoon, sir. This is
Madam,
Pratibha.
okay.
Sir, I just have already actually typed the question in the chat box also. Can we plot the complex numbers of functions in the MATLAB?
We can. You can go to
Can you
math
give an
one.
example, sir, for that? Actually, I was trying for past few days. I was not getting it.
Okay. Otherwise, you take the number from organizers. You
Okay,
send the problem. I will plot and send it to you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Can I have you? Sir, give your mail ID, sir. That's better, I think. Right? We can say.
RAO.
One second. RAO, sir.
RAO.
Okay.
KONDA.
Sir.
KONDA.
Konda.
At yahoo.com.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Next question from Lakshmi ma'am. Yeah, Lakshmi ma'am. Swarna Lakshmi ma'am. Swarna Lakshmi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am. You can ask, ma'am.
Sir, actually, where exactly this MATLAB is being used and in which applications? And what its importance?
No. MATLAB has so many toolboxes. Suppose if you want to work on curve fitting toolbox, data analysis. If you want to work on data analysis, we can take the curve fitting toolbox. If you want to work on if your work is on image processing, you have to take image processing toolbox. Okay, like that, optimization toolboxes. So many toolboxes are available in MATLAB. So depending upon your problem, you have to choose the corresponding toolbox. You have to work on this one. So there are more than 70 toolboxes. I will show one thing. I share my screen. I will show. One second. I will share my screen. One second. I will show. Okay, madam. Is it? I want to share my one second. Be online. Share my screen. See this one. Is it visible? My screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait. So I give one command. This is the version of the MATLAB. So these are the toolboxes available in my MATLAB. You see this one. Each toolbox is designed for particular purpose. Suppose if you want to work Simulink, aerospace booklet, aerospace toolbox, bioinformatics toolbox, communication booklet, like that, so many toolboxes are available in MATLAB. So graph, like this optimization toolbox. Which are you engineering faculty or mathematics faculty?
Computer science faculty, sir.
Oh, computer science. Like this, so many toolboxes are available. Computer image processing toolbox. Okay. Image fitting, image processing toolbox. Okay. Genetic algorithm. So depending upon your problem, you have to choose the corresponding toolbox. For example, I will give one command, CF tool. This is the toolbox. So we have to enter the data. We can analyze the data. Okay. One second. Load. Data. I will show date, population. Okay, create data set. Yes. So this is, we can do analysis. We can fit the curve fitting. I am telling one example. Okay, this is the process. These are the advanced topics. Okay, suppose if you want to fit the curve for this data, this is the population of India from 1800 to 1980. So how to you fit? We can fit the curve. Suppose if it is a quadratic polynomial, I want to fit the. I want to know the equation of this data. So this is a setting. This is the best fit for this data. Like that, depending upon your problem, you have to choose the polynomial equation will present here. Depending upon your problem, we have to choose corresponding toolbox and we have to work. These are the basic things I explained. Only basic things. I didn't touch any toolbox. I didn't touch MATLAB programming. First, we should know the MATLAB programming first. Then after we have to start the toolboxes. So these are the basics I have given how to enter into MATLAB. Okay. Any doubt? Did you understand my point, madam?
Yes, sir. According to the desired expectation, can we change the parameters by which again the curve will be changed and
yes, automatically we can do data analysis. We have a pandemic, corona pandemic. You take the data from April 1st to this date. You try to find out the equation. Most of them are struggling to find a suitable equation now. That's the big curve fitting. Really, I tried that. I posted some postings in my Facebook. But the equation didn't satisfy the proper. It didn't satisfy properly. So many things are there. Okay, na? Okay.
Oh, sir, next question. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Session is very informative.
Okay.
Sir, next question, sir. Rajesh Kumar. Rajesh Kumar. Hello, Rajesh Kumar. Sir?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how to plot a matrix, sir?
Matrix? How can you plot matrix?
Yes, sir. Yes, how to plot?
Oh, X value. Scatter diagram.
Matrix, how to
X values are there, Y values are there.
No.
So how many dimensions?
Means suppose my matrix. Suppose 3 by 3 matrix values are there. Suppose my matrix is first entry 0.8, second entry is first row 0.8, 0.3, 1, second row so 5, 0.3, 1.
Okay, I understood your question, sir. I understood
third row is 0.
What is the purpose of plotting a curve? Tell me first. What is the purpose of plotting a curve? Suppose X values are there, Y values are there. What is the change of Y with respect to X? Am I correct? X is there, Y is there. What is the X value? What is the Y value in your matrix? What is Z? We can plot up to 3 dimensions here. Which values you want to plot? All 9 points. Do you want to plot
Yes,
all 9
yes.
points? If you want to plot all
Yes,
9 points,
means I want to plot. Yes, yes.
You want to plot 9 points, am I correct? Yes, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, you take x is equal to 9
Yes, yes.
points.
Means I
I understood. You take x is equal to, you write in 9 points in array. Plot x, you give plot x. It will be
because sir,
scatter diagram, scatter x comma y otherwise. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Because sir, already. No, sir. Actually, 1, 2, 3 because it will come in a pair, na sir. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Like that means each entry I want to boost it up to some level.
Like, that's why I'm telling, sir. That's why I'm telling. So one x values you take 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Okay. Are you understand point? X axis 1 to 9, 1 colon 9 x value. X is equal to 1 colon 9. Y values your data values. Okay, matrix values. Plot x comma y. It will come the plot. We will get a plot.
Because sir, x is not varies from 1 to 9. X is varies from.
Actually, see this one I am typing. 1 colon 9 x value. Y is the matrix values. I'm plotting. So go through this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For example, this is the matrix. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
That's the plot. The first point at 1. This is the plot of. So if you want to plot a point, there is a first technique. So we cannot plot a matrix. Matrix means it's a 3 by 3. First we have to fix x-axis, then we have to fix y-axis. Okay, na?
Sir, actually, I will send you mail, sir. Is it okay, sir? Actually, I have the problems.
No,
because I want to give the. Actually, exactly, I am not able to convey. I will give the actually x value, pair value.
That is also possible. That is also possible.
Because I want to give the value of each pair.
Okay.
I will mail it.
So some weightage you want to give. Am I correct?
Sir?
Some weightage you want to give. You want
yes,
to
sir,
give.
Yes, sir. Exactly. Correct, sir.
Send the problem.
Yes,
plot
sir.
it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll send it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, next question from Padma ma'am. Padma ma'am. Padma madam.
Okay, madam.
Hello, Padma ma'am. Padma ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Am I audible, madam?
Yes, ma'am. You can.
Sir, are you using the latest version of MATLAB, sir?
No.
Which version, sir? 2020, sir?
No. 2007. I told you, no. My version is 2007 version. It is a licensed version. 2007.
Okay. I have 2016 version, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir,
whether do you have licensed version or cracked?
Yes, sir. Yes. I have a licensed version, sir.
Where did you get the licensed version?
From Osmania University, sir. I have completed my PhD with this MATLAB programming coding, sir. Okay. Fluid dynamics. I have done PhD on fluid dynamics, sir.
Okay.
I have plotted graphs using MATLAB programming, sir.
Very good.
Sir, I want to learn some loops, if and for loops.
That is a programming, madam.
Programming. Is there any material, sir? Sir, are you having any?
Yes. If you send a mail, I will send the material. That is exclusively MATLAB programming is not possible through webinar actually. It's difficult to explain each and every concept. But I have a material. If you send a mail,
I am sending my mail ID, sir. Please share it, sir.
Definitely, I will share.
Yes, sir. Thank
Ma'am,
you
we
very
are
much.
going to share sir's mail ID, ma'am. Don't worry, ma'am.
Okay, madam.
Okay.
Sir, will you, if possible, you have to give one lecture on MATLAB, sir. I am principal of Government Degree College, Illandu, sir.
Most welcome. Oh, most welcome, madam. Most
So
welcome.
many days I have.
Illandu, Khammam district, Palwan, sir.
Yeah, Bhadraji Kottagulu district, sir.
I worked in Palwan, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Adams Engineering College.
Adams Engineering. Okay.
No, 2000.
You are staying at Kottagudem, sir.
Okay. I'm
I
very
have a lot
familiar
of
with
doubts.
that area. Okay.
If you share your cell number, I will ask some of the questions, sir.
Okay, definitely. You take from madam.
Thanks. It is very interesting, sir. You are
Ma'am, we'll give you sir. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So next question. Parvez Ahmad, sir. Parvez Ahmad, sir.
Yes.
Hello, Pratibha ma'am. Hello. Hello, Pratibha.
Hello. Tell me, madam. Tell. Any question?
One minute, sir.
Okay.
1 second.
Hello.
Hello. Tell me, madam.
Is it audible, sir? Oh, yeah. Fine.
Yes.
Yeah, I lost my net, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Okay.
Yeah. One question from Johnson Babu, sir. Johnson Babu, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Tell me.
Sir, I am electronics student.
Oh, electronics student.
And a scholar from Osman University.
Okay.
I want to design a digital filter.
Okay, that's not familiar. Okay, tell me.
Yeah, actually, what is generally we'll go for either elliptical design or a circular design. But I want to go for a magnitude response and a frequency phase response on an asteroid. It's like a diamond.
Yes, asteroid. No, tell me.
Yeah. Is it possible to design with this?
Sir, if you have a data, definitely you want to plot or you want to design the
I want to write a program and I want to simulate.
Okay, it is possible, sir. No doubt.
Okay.
We can do everything with that.
Yeah.
Okay.
One more query is it possible to contact you?
Definitely. My number, you know, all are asking 96666.
Right. Wait a minute, sir. 96666.
95525.
5525.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. That's it from the questions, sir, from chat box. Now I invite the coordinator of the event, Chandrakala madam, to render the vote of thanks. Over to you, Chandrakala ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Is it audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So good evening, sir. Very nice, sir. It is my privilege to propose vote of thanks. I, Chandrakala, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, extend a very heartily vote of thanks to Honorable Speaker, Dr. K. Srinivas Rao, on MATLAB and its applications. We are very enlightened with your knowledge and presence, sir. I thank our principal for his encouragement in organizing this event. I would like to thank our Vice Principal and Dr. Ravi Kiran, Head of the Biotechnology, for their constant support and coordination. Last but not the least, I thank our HOD and department members for making this webinar success. Also, our heartfelt thanks to all the participants. Thank you.
Okay. Participants, feedback link is available in the chat box. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, madam.
Yeah, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Shall I leave the screen? Shall I
Yes, sir.
leave?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.